How to remove Fliki AI watermark. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let me guide you on how to resolve this issue legally and effectively. Fliki watermarks content on free accounts. Upgrading to a paid plan allows for watermark-free exports. On the free plan, all videos will feature a Fliki watermark. You can upgrade to the premium plan via the dashboard to remove it. Once upgraded, revisit your projects and re-export them for a watermark-free version. If you're not using the watermark for commercial purposes, for example, for your own personal video that you're not going to share, for educational or journaling purposes, you can remove the watermark with AI. For example, Online Video Cutter has an AI watermark remover. Simply select the watermark, let the video process, and your watermark will be removed. If you're using this to parody content, Fliki could still strike down your channel if they wish. With upgrading your account, there will be no legal risk of striking you down. You'll also be able to explore additional premium features such as enhanced voices and custom branding. So that's basically how you can remove Fliki AI watermark. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.